Vidíme se?
Vidíme, vítejte.
My dodržujeme striktně opatření, tak proto máme jako roušky, jo. Ale pak, aby nás furt neviděli jenom v té roušce, tak když tak se vždycky jeden, kdo bude mluvit, tak si ji oddělá a potom ten druhý se trošku jakoby odsune bokem, jo. Tak to...
Jdete příkladem, rozumím.
Jo. Ale zase...
Vítejte.
Ale zase chcem prostě jakože Katka má na starosti jako export, tak já to považuji jako za důležitý, aby byla v kontaktu. Navíc perfektně jakoby mluví anglicky, tak aby jako nedošlo k nějakému trablu, jo, kdybych něco nerozuměl. A já zase prostě eventuálně budu k dispozici, když bude nějaká potřeba reagovat na něco konkrétnějšího, nebo tak, no uvidíme. My budeme trošku jiní než ostatní, protože my budeme vlastně prezentovat hlavně firmu, nikoliv konkrétní produkt, jo, ale snad to bude zajímavý. Možná budeme trošku delší v té prezentaci, jo, a kratší potom na ty dotazy, ale myslím si, že právě tím, že nebudeme mít konkrétní produkt, tak to možná nevadí, jo. A máme tam jako kromě prezentace takový asi 3-minutový video, jo, sestříhaný jakoby z výroby, což si myslím, že by mohlo být zajímavý, takže to bychom v průběhu té prezentace tam pustili ze samostatného souboru, to asi bude vidět, jo.
Určitě, tak pak, až to budete sdílet, tak když tak klikněte ten share screen na to tlačítko a dole zaklikněte share computer sound, ať se připojí ten zvuk z toho počítače.
Aha.
Tak já rovnou už teďka uvedu teda.
Okay.
Hello guys, welcome back. So coming up next we got Medicprogress, represented by Pavel Sedláček and Kateřina Číhalová. Welcome guys, and you have 20 minutes for the presentation. I recommend 10 minutes presentation Q&A session, but according to your needs, as we discussed before, we are counting on less questions and more content to your presentation. So I will let you know just 3 minutes before your time slot ends, just to let you know. And for you guys watching this, we will make the connection happen. So if you just hit up the chat for Team Insmeda, and we will make the connection. So the floor is your guys.
Okay, můžeme začít? Okay, so I will start. Hello, so my name is Pavel Sedláček. I'm working at the company Medicprogress as CEO and part of the company. We want to present you today mainly our plant, new plant, for cosmetic production, medical devices, and food supplements. Katerina is my export manager, and she will go through short presentation and very short video from our company. So, Katka, continue, please.
Okay, hello everybody. I'm also gonna undo my mask so you can actually see me. So I'm gonna share the screen so you can see everything. Just a second. Okay, I hope that is visible.
It is.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so let me introduce you first the company. So basically our mother company is called Medicprogress, and we focus on development and production of cosmetics, food supplements, and medical device. And then there are two daughter companies, Pharmaprogress and PharmaFuture. Pharmaprogress is focusing on business outsourcing, especially in the pharmaceutical field, both in the Czech Republic and Slovak Republic. And PharmaFuture is basically our direct sale in the field of cosmetics and food supplements of our own brand, which is PharmaFuture and Health Culture. So we are a young, dynamically developing pharmaceutical company. We recently, last March actually, we just opened a new production facility in Olomouc, which is a small city in the Czech Republic. And our main field is cosmetics, but we also deal, as I said, with food supplements and with medical device. So
I will add only that we are established in 2009, so we are 10 years old now.
Yeah. As I said, this is the subsidiary, the PharmaFuture Ltd, which was founded in London 2011. So this is actually our British branch. This company is focused mainly on direct sale of our own brand in cosmetics products and food supplements, as I said, both in Czech Republic and Slovak Republic, but also it's based on eShop. So you can buy it from practically anywhere in the world, mainly in European countries. This is Medicprogress, another daughter company. And this is, as I said, focused mainly on distribution of Medicprogress and Pharma Future brand products, as well as other clients' brands. Yeah. So we develop unique products, sometimes even in cooperation with universities, especially Mendel University in Brno. So with top-notch scientists, and we can't actually share the actual names of our products with you because this is manufactured in private label, but this is another field which we are focusing on. And now I would like to share with you the video. So let me get back to the button. No, it doesn't work. Okay, and I will need your help. Can you tell me?
Okay, sure, of course.
Can you see it?
Not yet.
Not yet.
But when you're clicking on the share screen button, white window will show up, and in the left bottom corner you will see share computer sound. You just click on
here
it.
it is. Okay, and the sound. Okay. Wonderful. Now it will be actually visible.
Yes, coming up.
Cool.
We
Okay.
can see it.
So you can see the video.
Premiumbeat.com. 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 Premiumbeat.com.
All right, so this was our video. I hope you guys liked it. We're gonna switch again to the presentation. Right, so this was to present you a bit more about our new production facility, which was built in March of this year. All right, here you can see our main focus of activity. Its own brands, customers' brands, and private label. And then you can see arrows of how it is actually distributed. You can get development, production, sales and marketing services in terms of all these three categories. And we focus on cosmetic products, food supplements, medical devices, and you can even get from us stem cell therapy, which is our current project, which we are working on in cooperation with Mendel University in Brno in the Czech Republic. But this is just in the start, so we don't have finished product yet. This is just in the process of being developed. So we are also working on innovative projects with high added value. We work on new patent solutions, again, as I said, in cooperation with universities, with scientists, utility samples, and unique formulae based on the wishes of our clients, both in the Czech Republic and in Europe. Here you can see some of our products. These are some main fields, some main categories and product lines. We have over 70 products, over 300 products which we manufacture, but practically 75% of that quantity is for our private label clients, for our contract manufacturing. Only around 20 to 25% are actually our own products. And we export to over 25 countries, both in Europe and in Middle East. So here you can see Ortho Health. This is a joint care, both in form of creams, so cosmetics, and in form of food supplements. Then cannabis product line, which is basically focused on massaging creams and creams for various skin diseases. And then health culture, which is dermacosmetics. So this is a skin product line for major skin and for wound healing. Here you can see some of the other products. This is intimate hygiene for women and men, baby care, and Salambact is a veterinary care. Our other field is also senior care, which is food supplement Longevit, then vitamins and other food supplements, and others such as enzymotherapy and Paradont, which is oral cavity hygiene products.
So I will add, here you can see on our brands some example what we can do, but generally now we will go through the production capabilities and the example of type products which we can produce in our facility. Because sometimes is there very similar line between cosmetic and medical device. For example, we produced before lubricant gels for one big company, which was bought by Reckitt Benckiser a few years ago, and we produce worldwide lubricant gels for them. So this is typical gels. So, and now you can see type of products which we produce in our facility. Okay.
So as you can see, we can do emulsions, surfactants, gels for wound healing, massage gels, and so on, ointments, waxes, and cosmetics, which I already presented to you. There's also other cosmetics, which are not the basic ones, so toilet waters, perfumes, mouthwashes, which one of them was, for example, our product Paradont, then gelatin, and also powder premixes as well. Our capabilities are also product filling and packaging. We can fill liquid products in bottles. We offer tube filling, jar filling, cup filling, also labeling services, and total packaging and assembly. So basically all the services from A to Z.
Okay, trochu rychleji.
You can also aging, marketing, tableting, capsuling, backfilling.
Okay, we will go more quicker now. So here is some legislative, regulatory. Everything is according the newest trend. And then we can finish. Here is some about medical devices. Everything is known.
So everything is according to the standard norms in the European Union.
Okay.
We have also product testing. Yeah. So basically all the services if you want to start a product from the beginning to the end.
We call it a complete service from A to Z. And our focusing or core business is contract manufacturing, private label production. And this is something typical what we want to talk about with potential partner. And our brands is like a reference, but it's not about all possibilities. So that's why we want to present you in this presentation or in this short video what we can do, what we can offer. But basically it's from development through production to distribution. So
that's everything from our
you
side.
guys know you have 4 minutes left.
Okay.
All right, I think that's everything from our side. So thank you very much for your attention. And we are open for questions.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you for presentation. Thank you for presentation, Katka and Pavel. From our side, actually, as Spironix, we work for long term with partnership with Medicprogress, so I can certainly highly recommend them. And for those of you who watched the yesterday morning the presentation of Swiss Hygiene Technology, they are actually producing at their side as well.
Thanks, Jiří.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's very interesting. Actually, very interesting presentation. What are the kind of? I mean, the range is vast that you talked about. That's for sure. What are the kind of MOQs that you
Any.
Is it
we can produce one piece for you if you want. Everything is about the cost, about the effectivity, of course. But we haven't any line, any MOQ. So we are open to discuss what the customer want. The line is at about 30 million pieces in our facility. This is the full capacity. But in the moment, we are in 25% of this capacity. So we have a lot of possibilities.
And what languages have you printed in? I mean, have you worked with Arabic?
It could be, no problem.
We also have partners in Middle East, so this is a possibility, yes.
In Bahrain, we have one customer, and it's without problem.
We have in-house graphic designers, so basically any labels are possible.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Anne-Marie from Denmark. Hi, very interesting presentation. I just wanted to ask you, could you tell me a bit about the way that you work, your framework from a client comes in and has an idea and then how your progress is?
Yeah, for sure. It depends on the type of cooperation. For example, some customer bring us the finished project and we only produce for them. Sometimes we develop together new products, so that's also possible way. And this way we prefer, because sometimes it's better when we are working together on the project from the start, because then we can exactly prepare the best solution for the production and for the customer also.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
And you are based where, sorry?
In the Czech Republic.
Czech Republic.
Yeah, Middle Europe.
Okay, guys, time for last question.
I'd rather have a comment or a question, maybe before someone else asks. I really have to praise you guys as well, following on Jiří's praise. I've been using your cannabis products and they are really outstanding. Really good experience with them.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so thank you guys again for your presentation. I'm sure it's going to be quite interesting for our offline members as well when they will be watching this recording. And thank you guys all for participating.